Siri, what's a muss?
Here's some information.
Nope, that's a month, dummy. Hey guys, it's me, Abby Shar from Abby's Kitchen. So as you can tell, we are weeks, potentially days away from meeting baby. And that means I have a lot of work to do in the kitchen when it comes to batch cooking. So today I'm gonna share with you 3 awesome sheet pan dinners that are so healthy, so balanced. They require 1 pan to clean, not a whole bunch, because Lord knows when you're pregnant or with child, nobody wants to have to clean more than 1 pan. So these are no fuss, no muss. Whatever muss is, we don't know. We just know we don't want a whole lot of them, but they're gonna be awesome for welcoming baby. So let's do this. First up, my vegan chickpea and cauliflower sheet pan meal. To a bowl, I add some maple syrup, pomegranate molasses, za'atar, harissa, and olive oil, and I give it a good stir. Then I add a pinch of sea salt and black pepper and stir that up as well. Then to my sheet pan, I add some cauliflower florets, sweet potatoes, canned chickpeas, and of course, all that sticky glaze. Give it some sea salt and some black pepper, and I toss everything together to coat it. Nestle in some lemon slices, and then pop the whole thing into a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. To finish off, I add some pimento olives and pomegranate arils, and enjoy. Next up, my shrimp stir-fry sheet pan meal. To a bowl, I add some hoisin sauce, tamari, sesame oil, honey, Chinese 5-spice, ginger, garlic, cornstarch, sea salt, and black pepper, and I stir everything together. Then to my sheet pan, I add some broccoli florets, lots of colorful bell peppers, my shrimp, and of course our sauce. Give everything a nice toss to make sure all of those flavors are nice and coated and incorporated. And then pop the whole thing into a 425-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Top it off with some black sesame seeds and white sesame seeds, and enjoy. Finally, my buffalo chicken finger sheet pan meal. To a bowl, I add some flour, sea salt, and black pepper, and I give it a stir. Then to another bowl, I add some melted butter, some Frank's red hot sauce, some minced garlic, and some beaten eggs, and I give that a stir. And now it's time to bread. I dip my chicken tenders into the bowl of flour and give them a nice coating. Then they go into the Frank's red hot sauce egg mixture. And then finally, they get coated in some panko breadcrumb. Place the chicken tenders onto a lightly greased baking sheet and set that aside. Next to a bowl, I add some carrots and celery with a little olive oil, along with some sea salt and black pepper. Then I give that a good toss, and I place them onto the baking sheet with the chicken. Place that into the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes until it's fully cooked through. I like to finish mine off with a little drizzle of Greek ranch dressing. Enjoy! For all of these meals, I like to make a big batch of my favorite grain like rice or quinoa and then divvy them up into individual freezer containers to rewarm throughout the week. All right guys, my freezer is all packed and ready to go with some awesome, well-balanced meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your go-to freezer-friendly batch meals. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!